So today I'll be showing you how to make this very tasty, delicious chicken Chinese sauce. You are going to love this one. It's so beginner friendly, very easy to make. Less than how many minutes you are done with this. Welcome to the Sumptuous side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka. So into my bowl, I'm just going to gather in some spices. So like I usually say in my video that you can use your favorite spices, but I'll actually recommend the spices that I use because they make your food very, very tasty and flavorful. So for this recipe, I'm making use of whole chicken. So one of the things that we found in the chicken was that eggs. So I'm just going to set that aside. So add your spices into your chicken and make sure that you massage this thoroughly well in all parts of the chicken. So you want the chicken to be super flavorful and well coated with the spices. So once that is done, cover it up and place in the refrigerator for 2 hours or overnight, or as you're prepping for other ingredients. So for ingredients I'm prepping for, I have carrots, some bell peppers, some scotch bonnet peppers, some onion, some garlic, ginger, and that's all I'm going to be making use of in this recipe. If you're new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metuka. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to get notified when I drop new video, and I would really love to hear from you. So do well to comment and like. Thank you. Into my bowl, I'm going to be combining some water, cornstarch, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. This is going to serve as our base sauce. So one of the ingredients that I didn't add in this recipe was salt. So please do not add salt to this because the seasoning cube has salt, the oyster sauce has salt, and the soy sauce has salt. So you don't want your sauce to be salty. So please, I would advise that you skip the addition of salt, or you can just taste your sauce. If you think you need salt, then you add as needed, but I would highly recommend that you skip the addition of salt in this. So mix up everything well together and set aside. Into your pot, heat up some oil, saute some garlic and ginger. One taste go make you smile. Garlic, ginger, everything nice. A food fit make you chop rice. Add in your pre-seasoned chicken and mix everything together. Teresa they cook, come chop. Now love she they put inside the pot. From stew to sauce to coconut cake. Every bite they make my body shake. Teresa they cook, it no be joke. Even your love they die. Then add in your scotch bonnet pepper and onion. So you want to mix everything together in order for your chicken to be very flavorful. And we are cooking this on low heat for 5 minutes or until the chicken extracts its own stock. So once that is done, then add in water and cook your chicken until it is soft and tender. I gonna drink with beetroot surprise. Even small chops they hypnotize. She they mix tradition with small finesse. Our kitchen be like food fortress. She they cook with soul. Make we lose control. Now food lovers crew. Teresa bless you. Teresa they cook. Come chop. Now love she they put inside the next we want to add is our soy sauce, oyster sauce, and cornstarch. That's our base sauce. So add that into your cooked chicken. So now add in your carrots and bell peppers. Mix up everything together and cook this for 5 minutes or 3 to 5 minutes. So if you feel your sauce is too thick, you can add water to this, or when you check it and you see that you don't really like the consistency, that it is watery, you can see add in some cornstarch to this before you cook this for 3 to 5 minutes.
hot, onions they fry, tomato they bubble, pepper they high. She they chop and mix with style. One taste go make you smile. Garlic, ginger, everything nice. Her food fit make you chop rice twice. No shortcut, she they take her time. Teresa's flavor they always climb. Teresa they cook, come chop oh.
So my sauce has cooked for 4 minutes and it looks super yummy. It's super delicious. So right now this sauce is ready. So you can see it's not too thick, it's not too watery, it's just the right consistency. But for you to take the sauce to another level, add in some sesame seed oil and spring onions. Trust me, with just these two addition, you have taken your sauce to another level. This is going to be very tasty. So mix up everything together and that's it. Your sauce is ready. Super yummy. So I have a video of how to make your own sesame seed oil. So I'm going to be dropping the link towards the end of this video. You're well to click on that link, or you can as well check the description box for the link on how to make your own sesame seed oil. So what carbohydrate are you bringing to have this delicious sauce? This is super tasty. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses.